Grass Airdrop Season 2. Earn unlimited Grass token. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, and I've got a great update for you today about the Grass Airdrop and its mining process. But first, I've got an exciting free giveaway for you. Yes, you heard that right. I'm giving away $60 to a lucky winner, and here's how you can enter. Simply watch this video to the end, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and in the comments, let me know why you'd love to win some extra cash. Once this video hits 500 likes, I'll pick a random winner to receive the $60. So make sure to stay tuned, engage with the video, and let's get into the details. Alright, so let's dive into the topic of the day, mining on the Grass platform, which is already listed with a solid price point. The most common question I get from you all is how to start mining projects that are already listed and trading at a good price. That's exactly what I'm going to cover today, including each step of the process and how to maximize your profits. Grass just finished its first phase of mining, and now phase 2 has started. If you missed out on phase 1, don't worry. You still have a golden opportunity in phase 2 to earn rewards through mining. This can be a great way to get into the project, especially since the token price is strong. Right now, it's trading at over $1, so there's a lot of potential here if you start mining early in phase 2. Now, if you're wondering how much it's trading for, you can check platforms like BitGutPay. You'll see it's already trading above $1, which is a solid starting price. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of joining, mining, and maximizing your rewards. So stay tuned and watch until the end for the full breakdown. Creating your account and joining the mining program. For all my viewers interested in cryptocurrency updates and mining opportunities, this channel is for you. I make sure to share all the latest updates, whether it's a new project launch, limited time earnings, USDT mining, or other crypto opportunities. So don't forget to subscribe for regular updates. Let's start with the basics. Here on the screen, you'll see a screenshot of the Grass mining dashboard. Phase 2 has officially launched, and if you're interested in mining, you can sign up easily. The first question I often get is, how do we join? Here's the answer. There's a referral link provided in the video description. Simply click on that link, and it'll take you to the Grass mining platform. The first step is to open the platform link through a browser. You can use Mrs. Browser or any secure browser you have. Once the page loads, click Accept All to proceed with setting up your account. Here's what you'll need to create your account. 1. Enter your email ID. Make sure it's an active email since you'll need it for verification. 2. Choose a username and password. Set a secure password. 3. Referral code. There's a referral code in the video description for anyone who needs it. After filling in all the fields, agree to the terms, verify the CAPTCHA, and click on Register. Once that's complete, you'll receive a confirmation email. Open your email, find the verification link from Grass, and click on it to activate your account. This is important because without verifying, you won't be able to start mining. Setting up mining and connecting the platform. Once your account is verified, head back to the Grass platform. Now, you'll need to log in with your email and password. There's a Connect option on the dashboard, which is essential for enabling mining. When you click Connect, you may see an option to download an extension. In this case, there's no need to download anything. Instead, simply follow the instructions to enable the extension in your browser. This step is crucial because it allows the mining process to start. If there are any issues connecting, check that your extension is enabled and correctly configured. Now, if you're familiar with other platforms like NutPay, they also offer similar mining options. I've done a video on NutPay previously, so feel free to check that out if you want additional mining options. Using referral links and earning points. After setting up your mining, you'll see some important sections on your dashboard. There's a rocket icon on the platform where you can access your referral link. Referrals are a fantastic way to boost your earnings on Grass. By sharing your referral link with friends or posting it online, you can earn additional points. The more friends you invite, the more points you accumulate, so this is a great way to grow your mining rewards. Points will be automatically added to your account when you complete tasks and invite friends to join. To copy your referral link, click on the rocket symbol, which will give you a link to share. You can send it to friends or anyone interested in joining Grass and mining. Remember, you don't need to connect your wallet at this stage. Mining rewards and points will be added automatically to your account balance. When the wallet update comes, I'll make sure to inform you, so stay subscribed for more tips and common issues in connecting the extension. If you're working on a desktop, here's a quick troubleshooting tip. If you notice any connectivity issues, check the extension setup. You'll know it's connected when you see it's connected displayed on your dashboard. If it says connecting, go back to the extension and click Run to finalize the setup. Once it's fully connected, you're all set. There's nothing more to do, just let it run. Mining will happen in the background, and points will keep accumulating. If you want to increase your earnings, invite more friends to join, but even without referrals, mining will continue automatically once the connection is established. Check the token price and future updates. Let's talk about Grass's current price, which is trading at over $1. If you want to verify this, you can check BitGutPay or any reliable exchange platform. This is a solid price for a project like this, and with consistent mining, there's potential for nice profits over time. I'll be keeping an eye on any price changes, and as always, I'll update you with the latest information. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that there are other platforms where you can also mine. Check the description for additional links if you want to expand your mining options. Mining on multiple platforms could give you a better chance to earn more crypto rewards. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on crypto mining, giveaways, and more. Don't forget about the $60 giveaway. Comment below why you want to win, and help us reach 500 likes to make it happen. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Happy mining and take care.